MCQ, top 100 MCQ of software engineering, from where definitely questions will come. Yes, everyone is ready, I can see. So share this link to all of your friends. Share it in your status and tell them to join quickly to do the top 100 MCQ of software engineering. Here we will do top 100 MCQ of software engineering. Now only we are going to start it. Yes, everyone, I can see that yes, 100 live learners at least should be here. At least 100 live learners should be here. I can see here Khatu, Rajkumar, Vandana, Swap, Sarnalipsha, then Manika, Roshni and Mahendra, Denke, then Swarnali, Khatu, Omigo, Roshni, Darshana, Rekha, Appan, Rajvi, Lekka, Preeti. Everyone is here, everyone is present, I can see. Yes, so let's start without wasting time. The marathon for software engineering. So after doing this marathon, definitely your software engineering will be covered. There will be no problem in software engineering, because I hope audio, video, everything is clear, right? Lekka, Preeti. Yes, I can see audio, video, everything is clear. Chalo, let's start without wasting time. Let's start it. So those who are watching, you have to subscribe to the channel, because otherwise you cannot chat with me, because in the live chat you have to tell me the answer. So without that you cannot tell me the answer. So question number 1. This is question number 1. Read the question and answer on the chat box. Here poll will not work. This is YouTube, so here poll is not working. Here you have to answer in the chat box. Answer on the chat box, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Answer on the chat box. Good evening. Write down answer in the chat box. Okay, answers are coming. Yes, D is the correct answer. All of you are giving correct answer. Not desirable, not desire good software requirement. That is algorithm. Algorithm is not required here. Next one, software validation mainly checks the inconsistencies between what? Mainly check the inconsistencies between what? Quickly, quickly. This is a rapid fire round. I am fine. How are you, Mahalakshmi? How are you, Mahalakshmi? Everyone share it with your friends, and everywhere you can share in status, so that everyone can join. Yes, answers are coming. Yes, C is the correct answer here. Detailed specification and user requirement. Software validation is checking detailed specification and user requirement. C is the correct answer. Next one, function point metric. Function point metric. Function point metric is what? Next. Function point metric. Write down answer like that. 3, this is the answer. 4, this is the answer. If you are doing like that, then I can understand. It will be easy for me also. Whenever you are answering, write with the question number. Write down with the question number. With the question number, please write down like that. Okay, 3, this is the answer. Okay, yes, C is the correct answer. So write down like that, 3C. Next one, 4 dot this. In this way, if you are writing, it will be easy for me also to understand. Yes, function point metric is calculated from the software complexity assessment. Yes, 3C is the correct answer. The lower degree cohesion is kind of what? Lower degree cohesion. In cohesion, which one is lower degree? Question number 4. Lower degree. Which one is lower degree? Yes, answer Khatu. Everyone is giving answer. Yes, B is the correct answer because coincidental cohesion is the last one. This is last one, coincidental cohesion. All of you are correct. Very good. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Match it. Match it. Product complexity, structure system analysis, coupling and cohesion, symbolic execution. You need to match the list 1 with list 2. Question number 5. Those who are watching, at least you can click on the like button so that YouTube can understand, okay, the class is going on fine, and it can reach to all other students also, that yes, the live class is going on. So please click on the like button. Yes, all of you are giving correct answer. C is the correct answer, because here when coupling and cohesion you can match with the C, you can match with, it is under the software design. So C will be with 2. With this one only your answer will be done, right? Yes, option C 3 is the correct answer. Question number 6. Question number 6. Which one of the following? Read it and do it. Six. Question number 6. Khatu is always giving the quick answer. Quick answer is coming from Khatu, Monica, Sanju. Yes, all of you are giving. Yes, syntax highlight not typically provided in the source code management software. It is not typically provided. So syntax highlighting is not provided by the source code management software. So C is the correct answer, not B. C is the correct answer. B is not. Revision version, it is not. Version control and revision control is going on through the source code. It is asking you not. Be careful about not. Be careful about not, okay? Not is very, very important. Project forking means that dividing project into different part. That is the project forking. It is not. It was asking not. You have to careful about the not. Not is very important. If you did ignore the not in question, then you have to see not qualified. So very carefully see the not in the question. Not is very, very important. Now the next one. Read the next one. Question number 7. Question number 7. Those who are watching, guys, please click on like button once, because if you click on like, then YouTube can understand, okay, the class is going on fine, and it can reach to lots of students. Yes, so answer is user interaction, not a non-functional. It is not a non-functional. So which one is not a non-functional? That is the user interaction is not a non-functional requirement. 7.4. Good. Now read this one. Read the question very carefully. It is little bit lengthy. You need to read it correctly. Then after that you have to answer. Read the question correctly. Question number 8. PQR is given here regarding common coupling, data coupling, stamp coupling. The statements are given: common coupling, data coupling and stamp coupling. You need to read it and after that you have to answer. Okay, answers are coming on. Most of you are giving 8D. Most of you are giving 8D, but C is the correct answer. Why all of you are getting confused? You are getting confused in P. You are thinking P is also correct, but Q and R is correct. P is what? Common coupling occurs when one module control the flow of another module by passing the information what to do. Common coupling means, is it common coupling? What was common coupling? Tell me. Common coupling occurs when one module control. Is there any control? Module control the flow of another module. Is it controlling the flow? Is it controlling the flow in common coupling? Tell me. Is it controlling the flow? What is common coupling? Is it controlling the flow? Common coupling is said when occur the several modules have accessed the same global data. Common coupling is that when they are using the same global data. That is the common coupling. Here it is given controlling the flow another module by passing the information. That is content. Here the passing of information is going on in content coupling, not in common coupling. Common coupling is related to the global data. Common coupling occur when several modules have accessed the same global data but it leads to uncontrolled error. So here main focus in global data. So that's why P is wrong. Q is correct. Data coupling is passed the one module to the one another module. The data structure. So it is data coupling. Stamp coupling is this one. This is the stamp coupling. So Q and R is correct, but P is wrong. The coupling cohesion, all the coupling cohesion is very important, guys. Don't do mistake here. Is this clear? Where you are doing mistake? Yes. Is it clear? Everyone is doing mistake. Global data, right? It's sharing global data. That's why your answer is wrong. Be careful. Everyone was writing D. Everyone was writing copy paste. Don't do copy paste. Think your understanding also. Now do this one. Modify the software to match the change. It is very easy. It is very easy. Everyone can do it. Very easy. Everyone can do it. Okay, answers are coming. Yes, that is adaptive maintenance. So it is very important. What is corrective maintenance, preventive maintenance, or perfective maintenance? What is corrective maintenance? Corrective maintenance is focusing on what? Perfective maintenance is focusing on what? Write down in the chat box quickly so that your maintenance will be done. Corrective maintenance, what is the focus? Perfective maintenance, what is the focus? Preventive maintenance, what is the focus? Very important topic. Questions are coming from maintenance always. Write down. Yes, error and bug, that is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is focusing on fixing error, bug, like that. Yes. Perfective means what is the meaning of perfective? What we are doing in perfective maintenance? What we are doing in perfective maintenance? Yes, new functionality. Some new functionality can be added because we are always trying to do some new feature. New feature can be added. So new feature can be added here. That is the perfective. And preventive, in future some problem can be there. That's why we are trying to modify this, right? Yes, perfective, restructuring or new feature. Yes, all of you are correct. Now do this one. Agile process. How do we create the agile? Manage unpredictability. manage the unpredictability in agile process? How? How it is managing? Do it. Until now I can see those who are watching, they did not press on like button. Guys, please press on like button, because if you like, I am feeling motivated also, YouTube is feeling also motivated. You can motivate me and you can motivate YouTube also, that because we are providing you the class. So YouTube and the Unify Study is providing you the class, so definitely you can motivate us, right? Yes, agile process manage unpredictability. How? The software increment must be deliverable in the short period of time, because agile is dividing the total software into small sprint, and it is sending to the customer. It is taking the feedback of the customer. If any changes is required, then and there it is doing the changes. After that it is going for the next increment, so that whatever problem is arising, it can fix the problem then and there, and after that it can go for the next step. Option C is the correct answer. Those who are telling option B is wrong. Risk analysis conducting before planning. There is no planning. Ultimately it is not focusing on the planning part. Agile is that whatever your understanding, start the work as per the understanding, start it, and after that जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा, like that mentality of agile. Okay, so before everything it is not doing, it is starting, and after that customer involvement is there. With the customer involvement, it's a ongoing process, and small way it is dividing. That's why option C is the correct answer, not option B. Now the next one, software project manager is responsible for the following task. What are the task? Question number 11. Question number 11, what will be the answer? Okay, answers are coming. Yes, you are telling the answer is D. All of you are telling all statements are correct. All statements are correct. All statements are correct. Everyone is telling. So all statements are not correct. It is given not correct. It is given not correct. You are telling option D. Huh? Read it very carefully. Those who are telling D, it is not correct and it is given correct. Okay. So what are the responsibility of a task? So project planning, status record, status tracking, resource management, risk management, and delivery. This is A, right? Option A is the correct answer, not the option 4. Here not is very important. Not is very important. Write down in your wall that if I ignore the not in the question, then I have to see not qualified. Write down in the chat box, if I ignore the not in the question, then I have to see not qualified in the result. Be careful about the not. All of you are writing option D. It is not here. Huh? Be careful. All of this risk, everything is the task of the project manager. These all the part are the task of the project manager. Okay. Yes. Now the next one. Do this one. Question number 12. Yes, so very good emojis I can see. Arpita, YouTube is providing this type of emojis. If I ignore the not in the question, then I will be not qualified. Yes. So give the answer like 12 dot. In this way, please do the answer. Okay, the answers are coming here. So here it is the requirement development organizational process, focus on the organizational training, risk management, and the integrated supplier management at the process areas achieved by the maturity level. It is the CMM maturity level. In the CMM maturity level, there are 5 level. In the 5 level, in the defined level, it is focusing on the process and the organizational training, risk management. This is the part of CMM defined level. That's why answer will be defined. CMM levels are very important, very important. It is from the defined level. Must do the CMM level. And those who did not watch till now my software engineering rapid revision 1 class is there for software engineering rapid revision. It is near about 45-minute to 50-minute class. So many views are already there. So many students already watched that class. Those who till now did not watch that class must watch that class to clear your all basic. Okay, that is a very important class. I am giving the link also after the class. After ending the class, I will give the link also. Must complete that to clear your all concept of all the important topic. So here we are doing question because already there is a video on rapid revision software engineering. Now do this one. Now do this one. Okay, I will share the link after the class. I will give the link in the comment section. Okay, in this video only comment section I will share the link. 13. Okay, answers are coming. Yes, 13B is the correct answer. Architecture, software dash of the program or computing system is the structure of the system which promise the software component externally. So it is definitely architecture. Now the next one, 14, question number 14. Question number 14. Okay, answers are coming in question number 14. 14 answer is coming D. Yes, because here it is asking which of the following set of attributes should not be, here also again the not, should not be the encompassed by the effective software metric. For all the metric, language dependency, it is not focusing on the language dependency. That's why option D is the correct answer. Now the next question, question number 15. Question number 15. Wrong touch. Here also you are doing wrong touch. Here to no poll, just you need to type. At the time of typing also you are doing wrong touch. Question number 15. 15. We are in question number 15 now. Question number 15. Yes, 15 answers are coming now. What is true about the UML stereotypes? Stereotypes is used for extending the UML language. For extending the UML language, the stereotype is using. That is the main reason. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, because UML is actually the diagram. When I extend the feature of the UML, then we will go for the stereotype. That's why option A is the correct answer. Now do this one. Yes, what will be the answer for this one? 16. 16. Correction window compulsory. What even? Mumtaz, compulsory open. Compulsory open not. If you require correction, then you can. If you require any correction, then you can do that. Otherwise, not required. Okay, yes, 16. Answer is C definitely, because here Mr. X design a open source software must comply the SWAMP criteria. Choose the false statement. It is again asking you false. Choose the false statement with respect to the above. So no restriction and redistribution of the software as a part of whole. Here this is one. So B is given the integrity of the author source code must be maintained. C, the software can be sold after distribution. We cannot sold it. When there is the distribution, then directly you cannot sold it. That's why this is false. It is asking you which one is false. So this one is false. So option C is false. Okay. Okay. Yes. It is not mandatory. Correction window is not mandatory. If you think that yes, there are some problem, you need to do the correction, then you can do. Otherwise it's not required. It's not mandatory. Software reuse. Do this one. Seventeen. Answer 17. Software reuse. Read it and answer. Only I can get the answer from Khatu. Chat is not coming by. In the chat box I am not getting answer. Yes, now I am getting the answer. Yes, for the 17B is the correct answer. The process of exiting the software artifacts in the knowledge new software, that is the software reuse. Now match it. Match this one. I think this is done. Complexity, design, validation. Little bit different, product complexity, structured analysis, little bit some same similarities are there, but all are not same. Some similarities are there, but all are not same. Do it. Yes, answer is option C, because actually this is 11th March. Also same question they ask. 15th March also same question they ask. Okay, 11th March and 15th March same question they ask. That's why these are same question came. Okay, now do this one. Yes. Now do this one. This is not the same. Question number 19. By chance some question same question came. Ignore that. Do this one. Question number 19. Question number 19. Here it is not only PYQs guys. These are not only PYQs. These are your expected question. Some PYQs are there and most of them are expected questions. So many expected questions I have added from the different sources from where actually questions are coming. So these are very important questions. Question number 19. Yes, answers are coming. 19. Yes, 19C is the correct answer because cohesion is the qualitative indicates for the degree in which module can be written more compactly and able to complete the function in a timely manner. So that is correct. Here cohesion is the qualitative indication degree of the module connected to other module. This is not cohesion, this is coupling. This is coupling, this is not cohesion. That's why this one is false and this one is true. So answer is this one. Now question number 20. Question number 20. Yes, question number 20 answer is C. Maximum reliable value will be 1 only. Always the maximum reliability is always 1. It's not 100. It's not 100. It is probability. It's depending on probability. It's not 100. It's always 1. Reliability is always 1. Okay. Now do this one. Which of the following is a technique used for component wrapping? Component wrapping. Yes, that is clear box. Clear box wrapping is using for the component wrapping. A software design highly modular if when it is highly modular. Question number 22. Do please write down the answer with the question number, then I can understand. With the question number, if you are writing in the comment, then it will be easy to understand for me also that yes, you are giving the answer of this question. Highly modular when. With the question number, write down your answer please. With the question number, write down your answer. Component wrapping technique is going on with the clear box wrapping. It is not the testing. You are wrapping with some template or something. That is a wrapping technique. Don't do mistake with clear box testing and white. Wrapping is different, testing is different. So question here from wrapping. That's why answer will be clear box wrapping, not the testing. Okay. Achha, now do this one. What will be the answer for this one? Is it stuck? Yes, now I think it's fine. Connection to fine. It's fine now. Yes, okay, chalo. Okay. So here your answer will be. Okay, some time networks drop. there was network connection problem, network drop here. So here joint application design, that is JAD, computer aided software engineering, agile development, component based technology. When you are matching with that, see that agile you all know, that is reusable application, rapid iteration, measured and weekly, need frequently, communication, testing. নেটটা কি বলো বলতো, তোমরা তো অনেক কিছু চালাচ্ছ। কোন নেট কানেক্টেড আছে? ওটা নিয়ে একদিন ছিল না। কারণ আমি সেটা তোমাকে বলে দিচ্ছি। Is it fine now? Is it fine now? Now I think it's fine. Okay, now do this one, question number 24. Okay, network issue, there was some network issue. I changed my internet connection, so now I think it will be fine. Question number 24, do this one. Sorry for the network disturbance. There was some network disturbance. I think now it is, everything is fine, so please do this one. Yes, answers is coming from 24. 24 is D, 24 is C. Here, which of the following not an UML diagram? Not an UML diagram. So analysis diagram is not a UML diagram. Analysis diagram is not the UML diagram. Okay, analysis diagram is not the UML diagram, so answer will be option C. Swim lane diagram is also there. The analysis diagram is not coming under the UML, that's why UML, swim lane diagram is there. It is also one type of UML diagram. It is also one type of UML diagram. So analysis diagram is not the answer. Remember it. Okay. Yes. Now do this one. Wrapping. For wrapping, if you have doubt in wrapping, I will do one thing. For wrapping, I will record extra video and I can upload there. Okay, do the question, whatever topic you have some confusion, for that topic I will record a extra video, so that there we can discuss the topic. Here in the question, after the question, whatever topic you have problem, we will upload that video for that topic. That will be better. Okay, now do this. In wrapping you all have problems, so okay, wrapping I will upload the video. So 25 number question. I told that component wrapping, you have, all of you have the confusion in component wrapping. So for component wrapping I will upload a separate video. Okay, yes. So do this one, 25. Yes, so 25 is white box testing here, definitely, because all loops are there, loops and boundaries are working. That is white box testing only. Now the rule in the limited entry decision table. Rule in the limited entry decision table. After this class, you can comment in the comment section in which question or which topic you have doubt. For that topic, I will record some video and I will upload that. 26 number. Yes, 26 number, column and the table consisting the conditional entry corresponding to the action entries. That is actually the decision table. Decision table we are working for which type of testing? In decision table where you are using? In black box testing we are using the decision table, right? So in black box testing we are using it, and column consisting of the conditional entries corresponding to the action. That is the decision table. Now the next one, the cyclomatic complexity metric. What is cyclomatic complexity? Yes, independent logic path in the program. It is independent logic path. Now physical DFD specifies. A physical DFD specifies what? Twenty-eight. Physical DFD specifies what? Yes, that is the generates the whole process. Zero level DFD is one bubble, one single bubble, and the physical level, this is the physical level with the whole process is showing. That is the physical DFD. Physical DFD is the whole process in a single bubble. Now UML diagram. In UML diagram of a class. In UML diagram of a class, what it is? UML diagram of a class. Yes, so answer is here. Option 3 is the correct answer, because UML diagram of a class is the state represent as an attribute. State are representing as an attribute. That is the correct answer. Now question number 30. Do the question number 30. Question number 30, what will be the answer? Question number 30. 30. Question number 30. What it is? Yes, answer is option 2, activity diagram. This is the activity diagram. In UML diagram there is use case diagram, activity diagram, state diagram, class diagram. These are the very important diagram, and from UML diagram questions are expected. You will get the question. Definitely must cover the UML diagram topic. Definitely cover it. If I am getting time, I will upload the video. Write down in the comment after the class that these are the topics are required. If I am getting time, I will upload. Otherwise, definitely you can cover from your side. That is very, very important. Next one, 31. Black box software testing method focuses on what? UML diagram video is not here till now. Till now I did not upload any video in YouTube. For the paid learner we did it, but in YouTube there is no video. So if I am getting time, I will upload it. Yes, so here answer is coming. that is functional requirement software. So black box testing is focusing on the functionality. Yes, now do this one. Some of you are asking about swim lane diagram. Swim lane diagram is actually like a flow chart. Okay, swim lane diagram is just like a flow chart. It is working, and it's a different diagram. It's not a activity diagram. It's a different diagram. We are drawing like a flow chart. Some flow chart type swim lane diagram is going on like that. Something will be here. After that, here is something. Then after that, there is something going on. It's just like a flow chart. Here is the condition, then after that whatever is going on, that is the swim lane diagram. Some of you are asking about swim lane diagram. It is just like a flow chart. Okay, this is swim lane diagram. If you search on internet, you will get the swim lane diagram also. In the live I cannot show you. You can get it. Just search the swim lane diagram. You can get the image of the swim lane diagram. Just like a flow chart only, it's going on. Okay, so here question number 32. Yes, question number 32 answer is option 1 is the correct answer, because software testing must recognize the significant error and cost of the software testing contribute overall software. So both are true here. Now the question number 33. Question number 33. Which of the following need not be assessed during unit testing? Yes, 33 answers are coming, but those who are doing option A is wrong. Here it is asking need not assessed using unit testing. Unit testing, we are focusing on coding. Coding is the most important part of unit testing. So algorithm performance is the part of unit testing. So this is definitely required. Number of line of the code, LOC, is not the part. Error handling, execution of the path, which is not assessed in the unit testing. At the time of unit testing, we are checking the code of the unit and algorithm performance, how it is going on. This is the error handling, that is the testing part. Execution path also coming under complexity, means that is the cyclomatic complexity path, right? That is also coming under testing in the whole. When you are doing integration testing, at that time it will come. And the line of the code, when the total software is done, then complete line of the code will be there. Unit testing, it's focusing on special module and unit. That's why algorithm is the main focus. Other than that, B, C, D is not coming. Okay, so that's why answer will be B, C, D. Option A is the mandatory part of unit testing. Clear? Clear? Chalo, now do this one. Option 34. That's why I arranged this question. In this, from this 100 question, it is confirmed you will get the question. After exam, you will come back to this session. Remember and store this link. After exam, come to this link and tell me how many question you got. You will get the question from this 100 question definitely. In software engineering, these are very good collection of question. Definitely you are going to get some question from here. Yes, so answer is 34. With the question number, please do the answer. 34 answer is B. because just check how many regions are there. This is a region, this is another region, this is another region, and outside one region are there. So total 4 regions are there, so answer will be 4 only. Just count the number of region through the graph and you can do the answer. Now the answer, do this one. Do this one. Here the statement, these are the some statement given. You can do using predicate node also. Through the flow graph, the region is the best way. Predicate node plus 1 you can do, e minus n plus 2 you can do, but when flow graph is given, then region is the best method. Okay, yes, now do this one. Thirty-five. Okay, answers are coming about 35, but you are confused here. So many concepts added together and question came from here. Partio analysis. Partio analysis is the statistical method used for analyzing the cause and the primarily tools for the quality management. This is true only. It is not incorrect. It is asking you which one is incorrect. So it is true. Reliability of the software specifies the probability of the failure-free operation of that the software is given in a time duration. That is not reliability. Reliability means for a long time of period how the performance is going on. Failure can be there, but how many times there is failure and how it is the performance is going on, how for a long period of time, that is reliability. So it is not reliability. That's why this one is false here. The reliability of the system can be specified with the mean time between failure. Failure is there, but what is the minimum time? How many times the failure is going on? Failure free not possible. There will be some failure. System means there will be some failure, but it should be minimum. It should be minimized. That is the reason. So that's why it is also true. In white box testing, test case decided the specification of the requirement. This is also true. A mean time between failure, from here numericals also coming. Mean time between failure means total, maybe in 1 year. In 1 year, how many times there is failure? Maybe one time there is failure. For one time, how long? Maybe it was for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes the failure was there. And after that, after the failure, when you recover from the failure, that is the time between the failure and again up, down, server is down. After that, when server is up, between the time, how much time it takes, that is called the mean time between failure. And from the mean time between failure, numericals also coming. Definitely do the numericals are also coming from here. So today I did not add the numerical. Today I focus on all theories, but it is very important, must do the numerical. Previous year's question 2 to 3 times they ask mean time between failure numerical also. Okay, must do this topic. Now next one, which of the following requirement phase of the software engineering is incorrect? Do this one. 36, question number 36. What will be the answer for question number 36? Chat box, I am not getting the chat box. What happened? Wait 1 minute, I am not getting the chat box. Chat box is not coming. What happened again? Yes, now it's came. Yes, 36, option C is the correct answer. So modeling oriented approach, here it is asking about the requirement phase in the software design, software engineering. Which one is incorrect? Modeling oriented approach method specifying the functional specification is not under the requirement phase. It is only storing the requirement. So how the modeling will be there, that is under the design phase. This is the part of design phase, right? So it is the part of design phase, it is not the part of requirement phase. That's why answer will be this one. Now the next one, question number 37. How the modeling will be there? Question number 37. What will be the answer for 37 number question? Okay, answers are coming. 37, that is validation. Build the traceable to the customer requirement and covered as a part, that is validation only. Okay, yes, definitely, why not? Do it, after that check it, it will be beneficial or not. You will go for exam and you can check it, it will be beneficial or not. As per the UGC net, NIC also it will be beneficial, definitely for any exam. Wherever software engineering is coming, for any exam these questions are beneficial. These questions are definitely beneficial for your NIC exam also. Okay Nishu. 38, verification, because these are very important question. From where I have prepared this question, this is very important question. Any exam it will be beneficial for you. 38 number, yes, answer is coming. 38 number answer will be D, because here verification refers to the activity ensured that the software correctly implement a specific function, and the giving the answer, are we building the product right? So A and B both are correct, that's why option D is the correct. Option D is the correct answer, right? Yes, now do this one. Question number 39. Question number 39. Requirement, prioritization and negotiation belongs to what? Prioritization and negotiation belongs to what? Yes, answer is coming, that is 39B, that is requirement elicitation. It is coming under requirement elicitation. Here only the prioritization and negotiation is going on. Correct. Now 40, question number 40. Question number 40. Which of the following testing method use fault simulation technique? Fault simulation technique. Prioritization means priority. Which one is good, high priority, which one is low priority? That is Indresh. Prioritization means priority. Which one is the high priority and low priority? Yes, mutation testing is coming under the fault simulation. Fault simulation technique is mutation testing. So answer is mutation testing here. Now do this. Do the matching. Black box, system testing, white box testing, performance testing. 41. Question number 41. Okay, 41 answers are coming. Yes, answer is option 2 only, because here black box testing, system testing, white box testing and performance testing. So definitely condition coverage is coming under white box testing, and equivalence class partitioning is coming under black box testing. So definitely it is your answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now do this one. In software testing, how the error, fault and failure are related to each other. How error, fault and failure related to each other. Do it, do it. Error, fault, failure. How they are related to each other. Question number 42. Yes, 42 answer is option C, because error leads to fault and fault leads to failure. Option C is the correct answer. Now do this one. Do this one. Question number 43. Okay, answer is coming. Question number 43. Just now I told glass boxing. Glass boxing is the wrapping technique. Glass boxing is the wrapping technique. It is not a software process model. Prototype model, iterative model, time boxing model, these are all are SDLC model. These are coming under SDLC model. Time glass boxing is not coming under SDLC model. Glass boxing is the wrapping technique. That's why answer will be glass boxing. Okay, got it. Now do this one. Which testing strategy required established during the requirement analysis are validated against the developed software? Question number 44. Question number 44. Answer. Okay, answer is coming here. Validation testing, guys. It is purely validation testing. Why you are doing regression? Regression testing, so when something you are adding new, after that the system is working fine or not, that is regression testing. It is asking you the establishing during the requirement analysis and validate against the developed software. The customer requirement against the development software, developed software, that is validation. Regression is going on when software was working fine, after that you added new something. After that, is it working fine or not? That is the part of integration testing. In the time of integration, the regression testing is going on. It is already developed software, that is validating only. Validation is going on in the developed software. That's why option A is the correct answer. Now do this one. Easy one. 45 number question. Easy question. Indresh, I think you did not learn software engineering properly. You need to learn little bit, try to learn the software engineering, then the all concept will be clear. So waterfall model is the life cycle. Cohesion. Cohesion is an extension of what? Please learn the concept. Please, I think you are paid learner also. So try to watch the class of software engineering. Then your all the concept will be clear. Yes, cohesion is an extension of what? 46 number question. 46 question number. Integration means whenever we are integrating together, all the unit testing is done. After that we are integrating all the module. That is called the integration testing. Yes, so cohesion is the information hiding concept. Cohesion is not the modularity. Modularity is coupling. Modularity is not the cohesion. Guys, don't do the mistake. Cohesion means when I am combining in one part, one module, in one module I am combining that types of component what are related, so that I can hide my information from another module. So that I can hide my information from another module. Modularity is the coupling, it's not cohesion. So answer will be information hiding. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now do this. Which one from the following is highly associated activity of the project planning? 47 number question. Okay, 47 answer is coming. Again you are doing mistake. Highly associated activity with the project planning, that is identifying the activities, milestone, deliverable produced by the project. That is the project planning. This is project planning. You are telling B and C both. Here compared actual and the planned progress of the cost. This is not under the planning. It is not coming under the planning. It is ultimate progress. Whenever you are checking, it is not in planning phase. It is already development is going on. Already development is going on. It is not under planning phase, right? So it is under the maintenance phase. You can check like that. It is okay. Ultimately progress is going on fine or not. Verification phase. It is under the verification validation phase. You can do it. But it is coming under maintenance because development started. Here planning means where before development only. That's why option C is the correct answer. These are the confusing question, right? You will be confused and you will do the mistake. That's why do it now, so that the confusion will not come in exam hall. That's why all the 100 question do it now. Exam hall there will be no confusion. Now do this one. Which of the following non-functional quality attributes and not highly affected by the architecture of the software? Yes, so answer is usability. Non-functional architecture, it is not affected. That is usability is the correct answer. Option A not, option C 48. Usability is the correct answer. Usability, it is coming under usability. You are getting confused with option A. Option A not. Performance is not. Non-functional quality of the attribute not highly affected the architecture. Performance is affecting the architecture. Usability is depending on the user, how the user is using it. That's why it is not depending on the architecture. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Now do this one. 49, question number 49. Question number 49. Yes, so answer will be, yes, answer will be the level 0 DFD, level 0 DFD, data flow diagram. Yes, DFD is data flow diagram. DFD means data flow diagram. Here showing and drawing context model is level 0. There are level 0, then after that level 1, where we are dividing into the small parts like the important part. After that it is coming to level 2, that is for that each and every one detailed DFD. So it is this one. Now do this one. Incremental model of the software development. Incremental model of software development is question number 50. So we reached to question number 50. All are ready to do the remaining 50 question? All will be there with me or not? You are ready to be there with me? Remaining 50 question. So half century is done. Remaining 50 question. Are you ready to do with me? Yes or no? If you are ready, then only I will be there, right? Yes. Yes, chalo 50. It is option 2. Incremental model of the software development is the good approach when working core product required quickly. It's required quickly, then we can go for here. Because incrementally, part by part we will do it, because development is not sure. Best approach when the large development team. Best approach, use the project with a large development team. No. Here you are getting confused with the option C. Incremental, we will do incrementally. Well defined best approach for the large development team. No, large development team when we are doing, when the RAD model we can do quickly, and incremental not. Actually whenever we are doing parallelly, then we can go for the large development team. Okay, so that's why it is not. That's why it is not the correct answer. Now do this one. 51, question number 51. Do this one. Which of the following are external qualities of the software product? I prepared the question, I prepared the PDF. I am here with you for a long time. I will be there because I declare as a marathon. 100 question I will complete in the class. So it will be a lengthy video. If you are not watching that video, if you are not there in the class, if I am giving you the PDF, so what is the meaning of my effort? Think about that. There should be the meaning of my effort also, right? Because that's why please continue the class till the end. Whenever you are in the class, then you will learn the topic. PDF you can search in the internet, you can get lots of questions, but there will be no ma'am will not discuss. So that's why you have to be with here. Understanding, for understanding the concept you have to be there. External qualities of the software product following, that is what are the external qualities, that is correctness, reliability, robustness, efficiency and usability. These are the external qualities. Functional and non-functional qualities, these are also like that. So external qualities, it is portability, interoperability, non-operability, reusability. These are the non-functional required, these are the non-functional, these are coming under non-functional. External quality, it is not the internal quality. So reliability, robustness, efficiency, these are related to the quality, it is related to the quality. Okay, so you are getting confused with the option C. So in option C it is coming under, that is how much maintainable it is, how much maintainable, and it is asking you qualities, the external quality, it is not depending on the internally. There are two parts, one is functional and another is non-functional qualities, and it is asking you external qualities. That's why option C is not coming under here. Option C is the software, it is coming under maintenance, how much it is you are able to maintain it properly, that is coming for portability, interoperability, maintainability and reusability. Okay, got it? Very much confusing, these are the area very much confusing, where you have to think very carefully, otherwise your answer will be wrong. That is the area and you need to prepare your notes also. So software project, do this one. What is the difference between internal quality and external quality? Little bit understand that, because if you understand that, then it will be easy for you. External quality means that the how much useful the system in outside and customer meets, it will customer meet the specification or not, that is coming under external quality. Internal quality means that whenever development is going on, at the time of development, coding, according to the coding, how it is, coding will be easy or not, it will be when you are doing it again, then it will be good or not. So internal quality has to do the way that the system has been constructed, when actually the development is going on, then how it is, that is your internal quality. And external quality is the useful, how much useful the software it is, that is external quality. So usefulness, whenever it is coming, then it is coming correctness, how much correct it is, how much reliable it is. Robustness means how much tough, means any situation how it can handle, how much efficient it is, and how much usable it is. That's why it is coming under external qualities. Okay, so now do the question number 52. Do this one, question number 52. Okay, 52 you are giving the answer. 52 answer is option A is the correct answer. For a software project, the spiral model was employed when will be the spiral stop, when the spiral will stop. Okay, yes, user side, internal is developer side, exactly. So when the software product is retired, then only spiral stop, that is only the spiral is going on, when it is ultimately retired, then only spiral stop. So that's why answer is option A. Now 53, does the model prefer the software development when the requirement is not clear? Question number 53. Okay, answer is coming here. Rajkumar is giving that option A. Requirement is not clear, how you will go for rapid development model. Not rapid development model means when in a short period of time you need to do, then we are going for rapid development model, because requirement have to be clear, then only I can divide the software parallelly. Otherwise I cannot do rapid development model. Evaluationary prototype model, this is one type of prototype model. Evaluationary model is one type of prototype model. When the requirement is not clear, then we can go for the prototype model. So it is one type of prototype model, that's why answer is evaluationary model. Okay, got it? Option A, why it is not? Yes. Now next one, question number 54. The extent to which the software tolerates the unexpected problem in terms as. Please share it as much as possible so that maximum live learner will be there. I will be also little bit happy. So please share. Everyone, please share it with all, everywhere. Wherever you are, you can share with your friends, you can share with your family member, tell them to join the class. That will be good for everyone. 54. So unexpected problem, the tolerance of the unexpected problem terms as robustness. This is called the robustness. Fault based testing, which one? Indirectly one question we did, this one also. 55 indirectly, some same type of questions are there. Yes, so 55 will be also option D, right? 55 also option D, just now we did it. Okay, so 56, do this one. Software safety is a quality assurance, focuses on the hazard that. 56. Yes, definitely, why not? Family member will also learn the software engineering. Family member also will learn the software engineering. My life count will be more, my views will be more. You don't want that. Definitely you can tell them to subscribe the channel, you can tell them to watch the video. Internet is there, right? So I will be happy. You don't want to make me happy. Yes, so 56 number question, 56 number option is C. You are telling option C, no, option B is the correct answer. Software safety is the quality assurance, focuses on the hazard, what type of problem may cause the entire system to fail. Quality assurance, if the hazards is there, then it will be fail. That is the main concern. Because the quality, if the quality is not good, then total software is failed. That is a big problem. So that's why it is focusing on this one. Okay, now 57. Do the 57. A software program that infer the manipulates existing knowledge order to new knowledge is known as. It was my tea, it was hot, now it is totally cold because I forgot about that. My husband gave me, I think, half an hour ago. I forgot it totally. 57. 57. Inference engine. This is the inference engine. So where we learn it AI also. In AI also, existing knowledge order to new knowledge, that is infer. Infer is going on. Inference. P implies Q, that is a inference. So it is inference engine. Okay, chalo, now do this one. Question number 58. Question number 58. Okay, question number 58. What will be the answer? फॉर्मूला तो है, डेफिनेटली फॉर्मूला है. Yes, e minus n plus 2, that is the formula, right? So here it is given that the module have 17 edges. So 17 minus how many? 13 nodes are there. 13 plus 2. So what will be the answer here? 4 plus 2, that is 6. So answer will be 6. Right? Formula तो definitely है. Just apply the formula. Yes. Got it? How you can apply your knowledge? Which of the following coupling has the weakest coupling? Yes, the Euler formula is the same formula for the cyclomatic complexity also. Cyclomatic complexity, there are 3 formula. One is P plus 1 predicate nodes, another is E minus n plus 2, and another is number of region. Through these all 3 formula you can do the cyclomatic complexity, any one of them. Any one of them you can do. Okay, now 59, question number 59. Yes, so answer is here data coupling is the correct answer. Data coupling, weakest one. Which one is the weakest one? That is data coupling, correct. Now do this one. And B not. Control coupling is not the weakest one. Data coupling is the weakest one. The coupling and cohesion, order of coupling and cohesion is very very important. Remember that order of the coupling and cohesion. So now do this. The extent to which the software performs its intent functions without failure. Content is the highest one. Content is the highest one. Data coupling is the lowest one. Content coupling is the number 1, that is the highest. Lowest one is the data. Where data coupling means actually you are one module is giving the permission to access to the other module. They can come and they can change their data. That's why it is the worst type of coupling. It is worst one. Content coupling means one module is sending the data, one module is sending the content to the another module with the permission. Okay, don't do mistake. Yes, option D. Okay, for the question number 60, extent in which the software performance intend the function without failure. Without any failure when performance is going on, that is reliability. This is called reliability. The software is reliable. When the software is reliable, that one. Okay, yes. Content coupling is the best, guys. Why you are doing the mistake? What happened? Wait. Coupling, what is the order of coupling? Different. Data coupling, data coupling, stem coupling, control coupling, external, that is the content coupling, right? Content coupling is the last one. You are correct here. That was the data coupling. Content coupling was worst. You are correct. Because here, yes, I was doing mistake. data coupling, then stamp coupling, then control coupling, then we are doing here the last one is coming content coupling, right? Common coupling is also there, common coupling is also there. Then after that it is coming the content coupling. Content coupling is the last one, worst one, so it is the best one. So according to that we can go for message coupling, pathological coupling, control coupling, message data. This is wrong, this is weakest, not this is best. According to best, this is the correct answer. You are correct. Data coupling is the best one, right? The 59 number question is wrong. Sorry, I will do the correction. It is the best one. Best one is the data coupling. Content coupling is the last one. You are correct only. This is wrong. Question number 59 is wrong. Yes, you are correct. You are correct. It is wrong. Yes, you are correct. You are correct. So according to then, actually question should be best. If the question is best, then it is data coupling, otherwise not. Otherwise not. Pathological coupling, control coupling, according to best. The question should be according to best. Okay. It should be. Weakest coupling, weakest is the, see that weakest means the best. No, the type of coupling has the weakest coupling. Yes, we got the question now. Exactly, you are correct now. Yes, the question is little bit different way they asked. Weakest coupling, because coupling should be low. Coupling should be low and cohesion should be high. Right? Coupling should be low and cohesion should be high. That's why where coupling is low, that is weak, that is good one. Coupling is low, that is weak, means that is good one. So data coupling is the good one. It is the best coupling, right? It is the best coupling. So the weakest coupling is the best one. It is worst, this is not asked. They did not ask worst. Weakest means not worst. Weakest coupling means where the coupling is loose, loosely coupled. That's why data coupling is the answer. Good question, very good question. Yes, that is a very good question. I did not check it very carefully. Thank you. Yes, correct. This is correct only according to the weakest one. Weakest means loosely coupled. Loosely coupled means data coupling is the loosely coupled and data coupling is the best one, and that's why your answer will be the data coupling. Correct answer only. That's why the discussion is required. Whenever we are discussing, then our concept is getting clear. Yes, best coupling means that is the loosely coupled. Loosely coupled means it is the best coupling. Yes, exactly. Okay, content, yes, because they are loosely coupled. They are only sending the data. Anyone is not cannot interfere. They are only sending the data. That's why it is the best one, and that's why it is the weakest couple. Okay. Yes, that is good. Achha, now do this one. Here question number 60. Question number 60 is done. Question number 60 was done. Reliability. Question number 61. Do question number 61. Correct. Question number 61. Do this one. Very careful. Maybe this question can also come to your exam. Question number 61. Yes, 61 here, data warehouse. Dash is the subject oriented to the non-violent coalition of the management decision. So that is coming under data warehouse. That is actually data mining. Some question came by mistake. This by mistake came. Discovery by mistake came. Acha, do this one. Do this one. By mistake 3 question came from data data warehouse and data dictionary also. It is not under software. Do this one. 64 number question. I will give you more 3 question of software engineering. 100 question means 100. I will give you more 3 question. Do the 64. The model in which the requirement is implemented by its category is. By its category. 64. Okay, so it is evolutionary model. Evolutionary model is always coming for the category. Now do this. This is a pseudo code given. Why I am asking cyclomatic complexity? Because it is a highly expected area. From here you can get 5 marks, means 5 into 2 marks, 10 marks question can also come. Path coverage, branch coverage, cyclomatic complexity. In that way they can ask you the 10 marks question also. So 65 number question, what will be the answer? Question number 65. Okay, answers are coming. So question number 65 C is the correct answer. The easy one is that how many predicate nodes are there. Just check that how many predicate node means conditional node. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. 3 predicate nodes are there. P value is 3. That's why P plus 1 it is 4. Predicate nodes means conditional node. So there are 3 conditional node, right? So 3 conditional node means here it will be answer will be 3 plus 1 4. It is the easy way to do it. Whenever the program is given, through the program whenever you are doing cyclomatic complexity, just check the conditional node and do with plus 1 and you will get the answer. Now do this 66, question number 66. Do the answer with question number, please. Please do the answer with question number. Yes, so it is very easy. That is the spiral model. Risk is the big factor of the spiral model. Correct one. Question number 67. Alpha beta testing are forms of 67. Yes, 67 it is acceptance testing. Alpha beta is coming under acceptance testing, right? Now do this one. Question number 68. Question number 68. Write down answer with question number, please, so that I can understand it. With the question number, write down your answer. Yes, answer is D. Answer D, reliability is not coming under this. So major shortcome of waterfall model, question number 69. Question number 69. So we are going to complete near about 2 hours. So question number 69, that is the answer. You are correct here. Question number 69, the difficulty and accommodation changes the requirement analysis. That is the shortcome. It is a problem of waterfall model. Right? Yes, you cannot change it. Question number 70. 70. Quick design of the software such as visible to the end user leads to what? Question number 70. Write down your answer with question number, please. With question number, write down your answer. That is the prototype model. Right? Software that visible to the end user. You are not a quick design, you are not able to tell, so that's why you have to go for prototype model, so that the dummy model I can show you. That is prototype model. Now do this. In the context of modular software design, which of the following combination is desired? This is very easy. Question number 71. Just now we discuss about that. Question number 71, very easy. Yes, that is high cohesion and low coupling. Very good. Question number 72. Question number 72. Which is not coming under the software quality factor? Which of the following is not one of the three software product aspect addressed to the McCall software quality factor? Under the McCall software quality factor, which one is not coming? 72. Question number 72. Yes. So production cost and scheduling is not coming under the quality. Definitely the ability to undergo change, adaptability, operational character, these all are the quality. Production cost and the scheduling is not a quality of the software. It's not coming under quality. So that's why this is the answer. Okay. Software quality, McCall quality must go through it. This is very, very important. You can see the question: external quality, internal quality, which one is not the quality, functional requirement, non-functional requirement. Questions are coming from here. So that's why must go through it. If you search on McCall software quality factor, you will see the list of software quality factor. Must complete it. Okay. Now the 73, question number 73. Do it. (73). What will be the answer? Yes, so we are useful for the approach cannot be defined clearly. Very easy. 74. What it is? 74. The process gather the software requirement from client, analyze and document is known as what? Question number 74. Munira, now 74 is going on. You are a little bit late. Go to question number 4. Click on live. Come to live. Some students are a little bit late. Response are coming. So question number 74 is requirement engineering process. This is the part of engineering process, total process. It is not only elicitation, guys. It is total engineering process. It is not only elicitation. Elicitation means when with the customer the discussion is going on. That is the elicitation. Here the requirement of the client analyzing also going on, documentation also going on. So it is the complete engineering process. It is not only elicitation. Okay. So for these already videos uploaded, I have already uploaded. You can check the software engineering playlist. Software engineering playlist, separate playlist is there. You can check it. These are the topic I already cover. Now do this. This is the ERP. From the question ERP, 75 number question. Which of the following statement with respect to enterprise resource planning ERP? It is option A, option B and option C. Option not means statement. These are the different statement. Answer question number 75. Okay, answers are coming. ERP is what? ERP is the special type of software, right? It's referred to the type of software organization uses the manage day-to-day business activities such as accounting and project management, risk management, everything. It is going on through the ERP software. Nowadays ERP is the ERP are getting job also. If you know ERP, you are getting the job also. So that's why here your answer is ERP is the automated integrate majority business process. That is correct. ERP provide the access to the real time environment. This is also correct. ERP expensive and to implement. This is wrong. ERP is very much means it is cost is very less. So option C is wrong here. Option A and B is correct. Now do this one. 76. The extent in which software can continue to operate correctly despite the introduction of valid input is called as. So I can see now 50 learners are live, but all are not answering. Some learners are silent. You can answer on the poll. Poll is not there, sorry. You can answer on the chat. Okay. Don't be silent. Why you are silent? You can chat. Yes, 76 answer is coming. That is reusability, robustness. This is correctly despite. Continue to operate correctly despite of interaction of invalid input. If the invalid input is coming, then also it is working properly. That is robustness. Now next one. Which of the following is functional requirement? Question number 77. Robustness means how much tough the software is. Any uncomfortable situation, how you are strong enough to handle any uncomfortable situation. That is for software also. In any uncomfortable situation, how much it is strong enough. So these all are actually functional requirement. None of the above is the correct answer. All are functional. Maintainability, portability, robustness, all are coming under functional requirement. So none of the above is the answer. Okay. Yes. Now the next one, configuration management is not concerned with what? Configuration management is not concerned with what? Robustness is the ability of the computer system to cope with error during execution and the cope with errorness of the input. Robustness can encompass many areas of the computer science such as robust programs, robust machine learning, and the robust security network. Any type of uncomfortable situation in input error or some environmental problem, anytime software can work perfectly. That is robustness, and it is a very important terminology. So 78 question is this one, configuration management not concerned with the choice of hardware configuration of the application, because it is focusing on the software configuration, it is not focusing on the hardware. So now question number 79, do this one. Question number 79. Yes, 78 is B. We did it. Question number 79. 79 again the data dictionary. Sorry. Do it 80. Question number 80. Some data warehouse question came by mistake. I will compensate the question. Don't worry. 4 to 5 question came here. I will compensate it. So 80, question number 80. Do question number 80. Yes, question number 80, question number 80, yes, 80 answer is coming here. The modules X, Y operate on the same input and output, then the cohesion is same input output, that is communicational. Communicational is same input output, that is communicational cohesion. Question number 81. UML 2.0 diagram capture behavioral aspect of the system. Which of the following? Question number 81. It is the communicational, guys, when we going same input output, that is the global data, right? Same input and output. It's not sequential. Question number 81. Behavioral aspect. Question number 81. Yes, that is the use case diagram, activity diagram, and state diagram. These all are behavioral aspect. How it is working. Time dependent, that is the activity diagram, state diagram, use case object diagram. These are related to time. Object is related to the class. It is asking about behavioral diagram. I give you the list also, the what are behavioral diagram and what are the non-behavioral diagram. So activity diagram, state diagram, and use case diagram is coming under behavioral. Very, very important. UML topic is very, very important. Skip up. CMM methodology is to what? Why the CMM methodology is used? 82 number question. More 18 question left. We will do it. Definitely we will do it. 82, question number 82. Okay. For develop and refine the organization software development process. To develop the software, not to test the software, not. Ultimately it is organizational level. CMM is giving the level of the organization, right? So it is focusing on the level of the organization. What is their level? It is a startup company, or it is a little bit more in the second level, third level, fourth level. It is not focusing on the development of the software. It is focusing on the organization level. What are the, which are the company? CMM level 1, CMM level 2. That is the focus. So answer is option A only. Now, which of the following not a life cycle model? This is so very easy. You can do it. 83 number question, easy one. Yes, very easy. Capability maturity model, that is the this is not under this one, size life cycle. 84. Which of the following is the indirect measure of product? 84, question number 84. 84. Please answer with the question number so that I can go for the next question. Yes. So all of the above, because these all are actually indirect measure. All are actually indirect measure. Quality, complexity, reliability, all are indirect measure. Now 85. If every requirement can be checked by the cost effective process, then SRS is called what? পাঠিয়েছি তো অনেকক্ষণ পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি Yes, so answer is coming here. 85. 85, the cost effective process, then SRS is called verifiable. It is verifiable. It is verifiable. Every requirement can be checked by the cost effective process, then this is called verifiable. You are able to verify it. Okay, next one, question number 86. Do this one. Question number 86. Question number 86. Yes, it is unambiguous. Option 3, unambiguous. When the only one interpretation is there, this is called unambiguous. These are the characteristics of software. 87. Question number 87. Statistical software quality assurance in a software engineering involve what? Question number 87. We are going to complete 100. Do this one. Yes, answers are coming. So here it is the statistical software quality, that is tracing each defect underlying the cause, isolating the vital few cause and moving to the correct them. That is the statistical. Statistical is this one. Option C is the correct answer. Option C, not the option D, B, all are wrong. Using the simple space of execution, not here you are in serving the serving customer survey is not the statistical verification. Tracing each and every defect, underlying the cause and using the Petrie principle to correct them and found. Petrie principle is the analysis. Here it is given Petrie principle. We did in the question, we did one question was there where it was Petrie principle, right? It is not the statistical. Statistical is this one, the underlying cause, isolating vital few problem and then correct them. So that's why this is the statistical one. Question number 88, MBC. MBC also a very important topic. Questions are coming from here also. MBC, very very important. 88. Okay, answers are coming. That is user interface, because M means model, V means view and C means controller. Model, view, controller. So V is the view, that is user interface. V is the view. View means user interface. Okay, it's not this one. Business logic and domain, that is the model purpose. Okay, business logic is going on in the model, it's not in the view. View is the user interface where the HTML view is going on. HTML, how it will be looks, that is the view part. Model, view, controller. Controller is between the bridge between the model and the view. Controller is working as a bridge. So answer is option D. 89, SCM. SCM is also another very important topic. Software configuration management. Very very important. Do this one. Read it and do it. What will be the answer for 89? Managing several version and release, filling the bug, allowing the team member parallel, identifying where the regression occur. Yes, so answer is here managing the release, that is correct. Filling the bug is not the part of software configuration management. Option B is not going on here. Allowing the team member parallelly, that is correct one, and identifying the regression occurred, this is also correct one. Option B is not coming here. By eliminate the option B, because software configuration allowing the team member to work parallelly so that everyone can work it and everyone can upload their work and there will be no regression, that is the part. Option B, bug fixing, bug reporting is not the part of software configuration management. The example is GitHub. GitHub is an example of the software configuration management. SVN is an example of the software configuration management. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Now question number 90, software re-engineering. This is also very very important part. Software re-engineering and reverse engineering, very very important. Question number 90, do it. Yes, answers is coming. Reorganizing and modifying the existing software make them more maintainable. That is called re-engineering. Correct one. 91. Do thus 91. Question number 91 regarding agile philosophy. Question number 91. Agile philosophy. What happened? Why sorry, Lakshmi? Why sorry, Lakshmi? Yes, 91 is, see that, which is not a key of agile philosophy. So here importance of self-organizing team, will communicate and collaborate between the team member. Yes. Recognition of the change opportunity, it is also. Rapid development, rapid delivery, this is also correct. Having the separate testing phase and the build phase, this is wrong. Build phase and testing phase will be in same. There is no separate thing. Everywhere I am taking the sprint, here only build, testing, and after that it is going to customer feedback is coming, and after that it is going. So separate one is not there, right? Okay, so it is the not, it was asking about not. So here agile is not focusing on that ki I will do that separate activity. Whatever activity is going on together, after that I am sending it to customer, then taking the feedback, again go for the next sprint. So option D is the correct answer. Now 92, question number 92, do this. Question number 92, what is the answer? Answer. Okay, Lakshmi, no problem. Mistakes are fun because it is the way to learn. Now you will do mistake, you will learn it, you will not do mistake in exam hall. That is the thing, right? So 92 answer is option B, because here it is asking you that normal order of activities traditional software testing is organized. In which order? It is asking. So first of all unit testing, then integration testing, then system testing, then validation testing. So unit testing is C, then after that integration testing, then system testing, then validation testing. That will be the order. So here you can see the order C, A, B, D. This is the correct order. How you are telling A? Option B. This is option 2. Unit, integration, then system, then validation. Is it or not? Option B is the correct answer. Why you are doing mistake? So here it is another question on ERP. In ERP system, which one is true? Question number 93. It is BD. It will be DB. Unit testing, then integration testing, then system testing, unit integration. No. Unit testing, integration testing, then we are doing validation. After that system. Unit integration, validation, finally system. So unit integration, unit testing is option A, then integration testing is unit testing is C, unit testing is C, then integration testing is A, then validation is D, and then finally system. Last one is system, that is B. So DB. This is correct. System testing is the last. System testing is always in the last. Validation in the last. No. Wait 1 minute. Maybe some mistake. I think no. Still. Unit integration, validation, system or system validation. Just let me confirm once. Maybe some mistake can be there. I am also little bit confusion is here for me also. Just wait 1 minute. Unit testing, integration, unit integration, validation, system. Correct. Here the system is going on like that. Here is in this way it is going on. Right. Okay, here it is unit testing. After that it is coming integration. Then it is coming validation. Then it is coming system. Okay. This is validation, system is the last. Okay. So unit integration, validation, system. So unit is unit integration, validation, system. So unit is option C. Then integration is option A. Then validation is option D, that is option D. And then finally system, that is option B. So CADB, this is the correct one. Okay, clear? Yes, this is the correct one. Clear? Don't do mistakes. System testing is always in the last, because validation, after completion of the project we are doing validation. That's why then after that when it will up in the system, then it will be the system testing, right? Here don't be confused. When the complete software is complete, then we are doing validation. After that we are sending it to the system. So that's why this will be the answer. Clear? Okay. Chalo, 93. Question number 93. Question number 93. Do it. Do this one. Yes, 93 answers are coming. So ERP system, which one is true? Just now we discuss about ERP also. ERP system package themselves combine and separate the application for the manufacturing, material, resource planning, general lodge and human resource, and the order entry. So option B is the correct answer for ERP. Now 94, question number 94. Do this one. Which of the software testing technique ensure the software product runs correctly after changing during maintenance? Very, very important. Question number 94. Yes, that is regression only. This is regression. Very, very important. Questions are coming from here. Now here, do this one. Question number 95. Here some related, means some story given here. The function point calculated the software project are often used to obtain the estimate of the line of code required the project. Which of the following statement is false in this context? Read it and do it. Like this way, here they took C, C++, COBOL, that are the old languages. Now they can take Java, Python, like this type of language. They can compare with that Java, Python. From there also comparison can be. Okay, 95 answer is coming. So yes, A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer because it is asking which one is false. Relationship between FP and LOC depends on the programming language used to implement the software. So relationship is depending on LOC and FP. This is not, because LOC means line of code, that is different. FP means function point. So there is no dependency between them. So that's why this one is false. Option A is false here. It's not depending on the program language. It's depending on how the programmer is writing, how the implementation is going on. In C program, I am writing a code, you are writing a code. My code will be maybe 50 line, your code will be maybe 20 line. Because of the programmer, it's depending on the programmer, what type of approach programmer is taking. So, and there is no relation between them. So that's why this one is false. Okay. Now here 96 number question. Cyclomatic complexity of the flow graph program provided what? Question number 96. What will be the answer? Yes, so here the upper bound of the number of tests must be conducted to ensure the all statements have been executed at least one. That is the statement coverage, path coverage. Through the path only we are trying to find out the path, right? Cyclomatic complexity. So cyclomatic complexity is giving you all possible path. All possible path means whenever you are executing all possible path, then you will execute all the statement also. An upper bound of the for the number of the test must conducted to ensure all that, because when path coverage, whenever we are doing the path coverage, all number of path are there. So all path I am covering means that is the upper bound. Maybe in the path statement is not there, it is possible, but if I am covering all the path, then to definitely statement will be covered. It is not the lower bound, it is the upper bound. It is upper bound. Remember that I am covering a path, there is no statement, it can be there, because for the else part there is no statement, only for the yes part there are statement. So it is upper bound, not the lower bound. Got it? Very carefully understand it, very carefully. When there is the if statement, in the if statement maybe you are doing if true, then you are doing everything in the true path. False path there is nothing, but for the path coverage you will cover this path. So means it is not required to cover the all statement, but still we are covering it, means it is we are going for the upper bound, not the lower bound. Okay. Now the 97 number question. In a spiral model software development, the primary determinant is what in each iteration? I think we did it. We did this one. 98, do this one. Some question are Yes, so software testing, true or false? Do this one. We did this one. Do this one. $98. Do the 98. 97 we did previously, that's why I skip it. 98. Statement coverage cannot guarantee of execution of the loop in the program. Use of the independent path testing guarantee execution of each loop of the test more than once. Okay, 98 answer is coming. So here both are true. So it cannot guarantee of execution of the loop in the program under test. It is statement coverage. We are going to cover all the statement. Loop is executing or not, that is not the target, because in the loop maybe statement is not there. I am just considering that the statement, like that for loop. Here is a for loop. In the for loop I something is there. I will check that for I equals to 0 it is executing or not. After that I will go for the next one. Inside for each and every one the loop is guaranteed to the execution that may not be there at the time of testing. And use of independent path testing criteria guarantee execution of each loop in the program under the test, because we are going for all possible paths. In the for loop how many possibilities are there, all the path we will go for it, and that's why your answer is both are true here. Okay, got it? Yes, now do the question number 99. Question number 99, do it. Which of the following are not considered when the computing function point for the software project? External input and output, program language to use the implementation, user interaction, external interface, number of program to the software project, and file used by the system. Okay, answers are coming here. Yes, so answer is option D is correct. Here some of the students are correct. Option D is the correct answer, because here we are going for this one and this one. That is program language, it is not considered. Which one is not considered for the function point? Program language to be implementation, so I am not bothered about the language. And the number of the programmers, why I will go for the number of programmers? My target is function point, right? Number of programmers is not the target, so this is not the target. Other than that, external input output is the target, definitely user interaction, file, because in the function point we did it. In function point what are the main criteria? So these are the main criteria. Okay, option B, these are the main criteria. External input output in function point chapter it is given. In function point chapter it is the mandatory part. External input output, user interaction, and we are doing the file used also, internal file, external file we are calculating. For the function point calculation, it is the mandatory part. Go for the function point calculation. Numericals are also coming from here. So these are the mandatory part. This is not the mandatory. It is asking not. So that's why your answer is 2 and 5. Now question number 100. I am going to ask you more 3 to 4 question. I will compensate. I told that. Okay. It is not the last question. It is not the last question. More 3 to 4 question I will compensate. I told that. Right? So I am going to compensate that. Because some question was coming for like repetition, or some database question also came. So here it is easy question. So COCOMO constructive model used for the estimation. Yes, so here answers are coming here. So it is option D. Why? Effort, duration based and the size based. Here you are telling size, effort, duration based on the cost of the software. So COCOMO constructive cost model. So effort and duration based on the size of the software. It is not on the cost of the software, guys. It is depending on the size, because it is focusing on the LOC. It is doing the calculation on KLOC. It is doing the calculation on KLOC. That is the size. It's not the cost. It is not the cost. Here you will do mistake. I know that. It is not the cost. It's based on size. What is the formula? A into KLOC, KLOC to the power B, right? So KLOC means what? That is the size. It is depending on the size. It is not depending on the cost. All of you are doing a common mistake. In the last question, everyone is doing the common mistake. These are the common mistake you can do. It is focusing on size, not the cost. Now name is cost, that's why you did it cost. No, formula is what? Right? So you got it. Why I keep it in 100? So you have to be very careful. Okay, I told that I will give you some more extra. So this is do this one. It is the compensation question, because some question was extra question. So this is the compensation question. Some compensation question I already prepared ki okay, some mistake will be there, so compensation should be there. So here the coupling, I will ask you more 2 to 3 question. After that we are going to end it. So do this one. Different module software categorized as follows. Rank from the strongest, that is least desirable, to the weakest, that is most desirable. You can understand this. Strongest, least desirable, to the weakest, most desirable. That is the meaning here. Remember it. Yes, it is 101. Okay, 101. Here whatever number is given, with that number you can do. Okay, 101. Okay, it is 101. 101. Yes, so answer is option A. All of you are correct. Remember, strongest means least desirable, weakest means most desirable. So which one is the most desirable? Data coupling is the most desirable, content coupling is the least desirable. The opposite direction, you have to go for the opposite direction. Now do this. It is 102. 102. Do this one. Which of the following is true? 102. 102. These are the compensation question. 3 to 4 question I am going to compensate, because some question was other question. That's why. Which of the following is true regarding DFD? Do this 102. Yes, so answer is coming. Option C is the correct answer. Context depict the single bubble, that is level 1. Level 1 DFD, it is correct. External entities are clearly, external entities is not the part of DFD. We are not going for DFD external entities, just it is focusing on data flow. Control information should not be present in the DFD. Yes, because control information is not required. We are going for data flow only. So option 1 and option 3 is correct here. Now 103. Do this 103. Which of the following statements are true here? This is not 106, 103. Compensation question is going on. These are the compensation question. I told 100, 100 means 100. I will complete 100. Compensation questions are going on. Which one is true here? Okay, answers is coming. So here prototyping method required here. Which one is true? Prototyping method of requirements validation. Prototyping is the method of requirement validation. This is correct one. Option C is the most of you are doing here. Requirement documentation desire how requirements listed in the document are implemented efficiently. Also describe, it is not describing, it is just describing the requirement. How to implement, that is not. Implementation is the part of the development. Consistency and the completeness is the functional requirement always achieved in practice. So in practice, completeness and functional requirement is always achieved in practice, not. Whenever you are writing the document, then only it should be complete. In practice, not. Prototyping is the validations. This is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer here. This is already we did. I think no more compensation. SRS should be avoided. Discussing about what? A software requirement. This is the last one. Okay. I think already it's 2.5 hours. So it is the question. Do it. A software requirement SRS should avoid discussing which one of the following. This is 104. 104. Yes, so it is design guys. Design specification is not the part of requirement. Under the requirement we are not doing design specification. Okay, we should avoid it. It's not required. Design specification is not required. User interface is required. Non-functional requirement it is required. Interface of the third party software, that is also required. Third party software is required. Requirement in the part of requirement only. What are the third party software we are using, we have to discuss on that. But design is the not the part of requirement part. Requirement phase, designing is going on in the design phase. So that's why answer will be design. Okay, so we did here 104, right? Yes, it's end. It's now end. So this is all 100 question we have completed here. So finally we did all the 100 question, and I think you enjoy the session. All types of question I tried to complete, and your ultimate, it is your ultimate revision, I hope so. So must complete it, must do it all the question, and I hope you will get some question in exam. So our target is software engineering 10 out of 10 you can get. Numerical question, I already uploaded a video of numerical question. You can watch that also, and I am giving you link also. I am giving you the link for the software engineering complete course. That is the complete course also there. Means complete means rapid revision, one class is there. I will give you the link in the comment section. Must watch the comment, must watch the rapid revision, so that your concept will be clear, because it is only question. If you want to clear your concept, you need to watch the rapid revision class. That is a 45-minute class only. You can watch it. Okay, so and all these questions are very important. Try to share, and after this class it is a request to everyone, whenever I will end the class, after ending come to this link again and comment it. Comment here. because your comments are coming in the chat box. So it is a request, everyone, after ending, after 10 minutes or tomorrow, after 1 to 2 minutes also, you can come back to this same link and comment in the comment section your feedback. That will be very much valuable. Please, it will take only 5 minute time to put a comment. So please put the comment in the comment section after ending the live session. I am going to end the live session. After ending it, please put it. Okay? Yes, I will upload the video. Don't worry, I will upload the video. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone. Those who are here till now and with me, all that full the session, those who have completed, thanks a lot. After a long time I came here live, but still you are here. Thanks a lot for your support. Please comment in the comment section after ending this live recording, and I hope you will share with all of your friends so that others can also get benefit. Okay, stay tuned. Bye bye for the next video. I am coming with the next class. Chalo, bye everyone.